My mum and dad have always taught us, if you've got enough for you, share. So I'm just doing what I was brought up doing with my parents and also my birth parents, same things. You know, if you've got enough for you, share, and that's all I'm doing. Trying to share the love and feed our kids because they're hungry. I was in a cooking class up at our kura, Raglan area school, helping to teach kids how to make fry bread. And there was 2 classes in the class. One was a year 13's class and they were doing their NCA levels. And the kids I was teaching were year 9. And so one of the kids I was teaching could smell their kai cooking and she says, I'm so hungry. And I said, oh, it won't be long, playtime soon you'll be able to get you some kai out of your bag. And she said, I don't have any kai, our cupboards are empty and my nan don't get paid till tonight. So that didn't sit right with me. I couldn't sleep that night. The next day I went to the school and spoke to the deputy principal and I told her and I cried. And I said, we got kids in our school, got no kai. I says, we need to do something. And yeah, that's where it started. So 3 days a week I was up there cooking sausage sizzles, and then I'd go to the bakery and ask them for their day-old bread and get it cheap and make toasted sandwiches, and it just grew from there. So this year is my 10th year feeding our kids, and it's not a government funded thing because we don't fit the criteria. So it's from the love of our community and our businesses that awhi me to feed our kids. When I first started, so many of the teachers came up to me and said, Whai, do you know how much difference you've made in the classroom for us because the kids have been fed? She said, they all say to me, the turnaround from when there wasn't any kai for the kids to then having a kai, big difference. So the kids are actually learning in class because they're not hungry.